Hi, I'm Felice from HubSpot, and today I'm going to talk about how to create Instagram stories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Post any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. Instagram stories can drive a ton of engagement and value, whether you're sharing a story from a brand account or your personal profile. To create an Instagram story, open Instagram and tap the camera icon in the upper left-hand corner of your phone. You can also start a new story by clicking on your own user icon while viewing your profile. Here, you can share a photo or video you've already captured by swiping up on your screen to browse your gallery. Or, choose a camera lens to capture a new photo or video in the app. Here you'll have a few different options to choose from. The first option is type. This will give you a blank screen where you can start typing a text-only message to post as your story, no photo required. The second option is music. This option will allow you to search for a music track before adding visuals to your story. The next option is live. If you toggle your screen to the live option, you'll start filming and broadcasting live on Instagram. Like Facebook Live, friends can follow along and leave comments, and when you're done with the broadcast, you'll have the option to let the video disappear, save it, or share it on Instagram stories for an additional 24 hours. The next option is normal. It means what it says. Tapping once will capture a photo and holding down will record a video. Next is the boomerang option. Boomerang mode films looping GIFs up to 3 seconds in length. The next option is super zoom. Super zoom is a video recording lens that zooms in closer and closer on your subject. But turn up the volume and you can use super zoom to create a dramatic soundtrack to accompany your video. After super zoom is the focus option. When you select focus and point your phone camera at a subject, the background of the frame will get a blurred effect. This is a great option for portraits or product photos where you want the subject to really stand out. There are also a number of focus filters you can apply for different effects. Next, there's rewind. You can use the rewind lens to film a video in reverse. Finally, there's a hands-free option. Use hands-free mode if you want to set up your camera to film a video for you. Make sure you prop it somewhere stable before you call action. Once you've edited your photo or video, tap Your Story to share it to your story. You can also tap Close Friends to share with a pre-designated group of friends. Only you can add and view people in your close friends list. Additionally, you can tap Send to share with other friends at the same time. You can also save your edited photo or video to your gallery by tapping the down arrow in the upper left-hand corner. And that's it! You've just created an Instagram story. Looking for even more help with your Instagram strategy? Click the link in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below.